Just play, don't relax, because you're going to move off it. Your toes should be pulling in. You should feel all the muscles here. So your feet are ready to work. Okay? All right, ready? Not quickly, slower. No, don't jump. This is adagio. And look, backside front. Smoothly. More, Rachel. From there. Push. Left arm. Push. Brush. Right arm. And push. Smooth. Yeah. Push. When you're on half toe, those are piqués. So it's push. And if the music were to stop, you'd be on balance, whichever foot it is. No. Stay there. No. Stay there. No, you have to show the dégagé second. Stay there. And yeah, otherwise we don't see you doing anything. It's not stumble along. It's step along, okay? All right, so again, we'll do another glissade.